Today we're going to make melted crayon art. First, gather the materials you'll need. You'll need some crayons, a blow dryer, a hot glue gun, a canvas, and I just got this one from the dollar store. You can use any size you'd like, and some newspaper. So first, you need to sort the crayons. How do you want to arrange them? Do you want to arrange them in like a rainbow pattern like I have done here? Do you want to do all reds and oranges? You can choose whichever colors you want and however you want to arrange them. Rainbow is the most common, but again, use your creativity. So now I'm going to take my canvas and my hot glue gun, and I'm going to glue all of my crayons across the top of the canvas here. Okay, so I've already rearranged mine. This is the order I'm going to put them in. So I'm going to get started with my hot glue gun. Just going to put a bunch of lines. And when you're using a hot glue gun, it might be a good idea to ask an adult to help with this step, just to be safe. So I've got my reds here. Remember, hot glue guns dry pretty quickly, the glue on them, so it might not be a good idea to do too much at one time. I might have even done too much here. It might dry too quickly before I get all the way across. Okay, getting there. Yeah, I'll have to add some more here. That's how you learn, right? You learn from your mistakes. So I added too much hot glue and I couldn't place my crayons fast enough. So I'm gonna keep going until I get to where my hot glue stops. And then I'll do a little bit more. Okay, I've got my yellows. I'm almost to the end already. Do a little bit more for my blues and my purples. Now once you've placed these, I'd give it a few minutes to dry before you start blow drying it, just to make sure your crayons won't fall off when you get started. Okay, so I might even actually add 2 more here to fill up the space, but that's what it looks like so far. So now I'm gonna get rid of the hot glue gun. And I'm just gonna newspaper set up here just in case the wax, when it gets hot and melted, doesn't get all over floors or anything like that. So I'm gonna set that up just like that. And now I'm going to take my blow dryer, and I'm going to start slowly going back and forth until the crayons melt the way I'd like to see them. Make sure your canvas is tilted up like this so that the wax actually melts down. And you can do this for as long as you like. Once you're kind of happy with how the picture looks, then you can stop. So I'm going to pause the video while I do this, just so you don't have to hear the blow dryer for the next few minutes. And we'll see what my creation looks like. So this is what I've got so far. Keep on going with yours too, it'll look great by the end of it. So I'm done blow drying my piece for now. That's how I left it. It was sort of fun to experiment and see how close to put your blow dryer, or sort of what angles to go at. So I can see here, like some of my red splayed over this way a little bit because I was holding the blow dryer really close and at a different angle. So that was sort of a fun experiment. So now I'm going to let this dry for a couple hours. The wax is hot, so please don't touch it right now. And then you have your masterpiece that you can hang in your bedroom or in your house somewhere. We hope you have fun with this Maker Monday project, and we'll see you next Monday.